Good evening. It's getting late. So in the afternoon. So we'll have an assessment in week 9. In your assessment, your teacher, Jenny or Donal, will check that you can speak English. We'll ask you to say hello. Number 1, say hello. Number 2, introduce yourself. My name's Ekaya. Hello, Ekaya. You must ask number 3. Ask me some questions. Where are you from? Number 4. Answer questions. Are you from Burma? Yes, I am. Number 5. Say you don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand. Number 6. Speak politely. Say please, thank you. Okay, let's move on. Now, part 1, you will be asked to say hello and respond to hello. A says hello. B responds to hello. You can say hello, oh, hi, or hi, oh, hello, or hi, hi, or hello, oh, hello. You can mix them. Okay. Now let's go to number 2. This is introduce yourself. Very easy. My name is Donal. Let's see. My name is Kwa, or my name's Kwa. Same. Or I am Po, or I'm Po. I'm Po. So it's the same. It's they're all the same. Okay. Let's go to number 3. Answer questions. Now, you have WH questions, which are, let's see, WH questions are who, what, where, see, WH, WH, and also when, WH, why, WH, and how. How is a WH question also. So, first one, WH, where? Where are you from? I'm from Thailand. A what? WH question. What is your name? Oh, see above, number 2. Oh, my name is Kwa. My name's Qua. My name's Donal. My name is Donal. I am Donal. I'm Donal. Now we have do questions. Use do with another verb. Like. I can say, do you like sports? Answer, yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Or, no, I do not. Don't, do not are the same. Use do with have. Do you have a job? Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I do not. And you have be verb questions. So in the simple present tense, I must change that. Be uses is, are, or am. Like, are you from China? Yes, I am. No, I am not. No, I'm not. It is hot, cold, nice weather today. Or is it hot today? Answer, yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. Or no, it is. It's, it isn't. It's hot. No, it isn't. It's hot. Or no, it is not. It's hot. No, it isn't. No, it is not. Okay. All right. We'll continue with number 4 on a second video. Thank you. Look out for part 2.